Today we are going to make delicious quinoa salad with fresh veggies. Gochujang dressing will give the salad a delicious flavor. Quinoa is well known as a superfood with loaded nutrients. You're going to need onion, carrot, zucchini, red bell pepper, broccoli, shitake mushroom, eggplant, and egg. We are going to make quinoa. Quinoa is a seed that brings a lot of high proteins to the table. Rinse quinoa a few times with water. We're going to stir fry quinoa with oil and then add turmeric and salt. I put turmeric because it has a lot of nutrients that are beneficial to our body so you can enjoy healthy salad. Give it a stir for about 3 minutes until quinoa is soft and yellow. Add 3 cups of water. It's 1-to-3 ratio, 1 cup quinoa and 3 cups of water, because I want quinoa to be a little mush but still crunch for the salad. Cover the lid and bring to boil on a high heat and reduce the heat to low when boiling. And let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Quinoa is well cooked. It's light and fluffy and it smells nutty. Set it aside and cool down. We're gonna prepare for veggies. First, cut carrots and julienne. And then move on to the onion. I love to use eggplant for this recipe because it has vitamin and mineral and it is delicious. Slice and julienne zucchini. And move on to the bell pepper. Red bell pepper has the most delicious flavors compared to green bell pepper. It's sweet, juicy, and crispy. Next is broccoli. Cut broccoli into florets. Broccoli is a good source of fiber, protein, and it contains antioxidant and potassium. This is plumped shitake mushroom. I soaked them in the water overnight. We're going to cut the mushroom. Shitake mushroom has a rich taste and flavor. I add scallions to the veggies. Scallions will give fresh and clean flavor to the salad. I like this salad a lot because it's packed with healthy and nutritious ingredients. It's light and delicious. Let's stir fry all the veggies. Put oil to the pan and stir fry the onion. Give it a good stir until onions are softened and translucent. Add salt and pepper. You're going to add some water to avoid the burns. I'm using stainless steel pan. Stainless steel pan is very durable and easy to cook. You could also reduce substantial amount of oil in cooking by using water. I love shiitake mushroom in this salad. It's very flavorful. Add soy sauce and give it a good stir and add water when you need to. Cook for 2 minutes until the mushrooms are soft. You could use any kind of mushroom too. This recipe is so easy and delicious that you can eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can bring this salad to the barbecue party. People will give you lots of compliments. Now let's move on to the carrots. Add water little by little until carrots are soft and crunch, and continue to stir for about 2 minutes. And add salt and pepper to bring the taste. Carrots smell so good. Broccoli is one of my favorite ingredients. It's packed with protein, vitamin, and mineral. I like both mushy and crunch, but for this salad, it's gotta be crunch. Stir fry for 2 or 3 minutes until broccoli is soft and crunch. Zucchini has a bland flavor, so you should add salt, pepper, and scallions to bring out flavors. Keep stirring until zucchinis are nice and crunchy. Make sure not to overcook, because nobody likes much zucchini. Add soy sauce and chopped scallions to the eggplant and cook for 2 minutes until eggplants are soft and crunchy. Stir-fry bell pepper for about 2 minutes. All the veggies are done. They smell so good and delicious. Now we're gonna make dressings for this salad. We're gonna make 2 dressings. First, a soy sauce dressing. Add chopped garlic, freshly squeezed lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper to a soy sauce, and give it a good whisk. I love sweetness and sourness from this dressing. Next, we are going to make gochujang dressing. Add garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, soy sauce, plum extract or honey, salt and pepper to gochujang paste. Stir well until everything is well combined. Gochujang dressing is a little spicy but not overpowering. It's sweet, tangy, and savory. We're gonna make fried egg for topping. Let's go ahead to assemble quinoa bibimbap salad. Place quinoa on the plate. We're gonna put stir-fried veggies over quinoa. It's fun to assemble all the colorful veggies. We have 2 salad dishes, one for gochujang dressing and the other one for soy sauce dressing. Nicely put fried egg and finish with black sesame seeds. For the second dish, garnish with scallions. Drizzle with delicious gochujang dressing. Give it a good mix all the freshly stir-fried veggies with gochujang dressing. You're gonna notice all of these fresh flavors are getting out of this salad. It's the perfect complement to all the fresh ingredients in the salad. And it's ready to enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the subscription box below, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you soon in the next video.